What's going on, my beautiful family? Back at it again. I know I haven't posted something recent. Man, I was feeling like crap because of the pollen. Really got to me, man. I've never been affected from it. But I'm here at this meat market near my house. It's here in Lilburn, Georgia. I wanted to compare it to the Spanish meat butcher and see what their price is like, and if there's an inflation or if they have any shortages going on. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you. Those who are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. To those that are already been subscribed, please make sure you turn on that notification bell so this channel can grow and I can continue to give you guys content, any content you guys need and want. All right, hang on time and show you guys what's inside. It's Tony Meat Market here in Lilburn, Georgia. Well, all beef hot dogs, $10 a pound, people. Boneless chicken breast, $7.50 a pound. Chicken thighs, $4 a pound. Chicken wings, $6.99 a pound. Pork sausages, $7.99 a pound. Baby back ribs, $8.99 a pound. Fresh spare ribs, $5.49 a pound. Country style spare ribs, $3 a pound. Center cut pork roast, $7.50 a pound. Boneless pork ribs, $7.50 a pound. Center cut pork chops, $5 a pound. Thick cut pork chops, $5 a pound. Butterfly chops, $4 a pound. Wow. Okay. Pork tenderloin, $6 a pound. Pork roast, $3 a pound. Sliced bacon, $9.99 a pound. Beef ribs, $9.99 a pound. Beef short ribs, $15 a pound. They don't have leg of lambs or lamb chops. Chuck roast, $7.99 a pound. London broil, $11.99 a pound. Sirloin steak, $17 a pound. Porterhouse steak, normally it's $24.99. Today they got it at $17.99 a pound, people. Special T-bone, $14 a pound. Normal price is $21.99. Standing rib roast, $34.99. Ribeye steak, $34.99 a pound. New York strip steak, $29.99 a pound. Filet mignon, $4.99 a pound. Flat iron steak, $8 a pound. Q steak, $11.99 a pound. Lean stewing beef, $8 a pound. Ground sirloin, people, $6.99 a pound. Ground chuck, $5.49 a pound. And beef patties to put on the grill, $10 a pound. See what he has over here. Cut green beans, they're frozen. Field peas with snaps. How much are these normally in a bag? $4. $4 a bag? Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. How about the shrimp? $37.99. $27.99. How about the lamb chop? $25 a pound. $25 a pound. Okay, okay. Man, I do appreciate this, man. Brandsmart here in Doraville, Georgia. I want to show you guys what's inside. Give you guys a quick tour. Those who don't have a Brandsmart in their state, stay tuned. Samsung washer and dryer. So they do have the GoPro 8 here for $389. This is a Hero 9 actually for $389 or $339. What is the difference between these two? GoPro Max for $489. Man, they also do have a watch section I didn't even know about. So they don't just sell electronics only. They do sell houseware stuff as well. Man, look at this cool 9-bot. It's like a go-kart. $18.99. It's pretty cool. Still have the hoverboards here. Oh man. Look how dope this Segway for $499.98. Pretty dope. Got it in white and black. Shit, they got IMAX here for $13.49. $17.99. They sell mattresses as well, pillows, $9. Shoot, they also have the massage and reclining chairs as well. They do have furniture, which I didn't know Brandsmart had that type of stuff, but you know, as you can see, now you know. This is the LG OLED Evo. 77-inch for $32.48, 55-inch for $15.96. Look how amazing that looks. 50-inch LG Nano Cell, $428. Normal price is $569. Savings of $141. Samsung surround bar sound for $129.88. Original price $200, $70 off. So you guys can see. So they have home theater and they have car theater as well. Car surround. So they do also carry patio furniture as well. The chair and the table. And they do have little generators that you can use to use as backup as when your power goes out. can use this as one of your preparedness when if your power goes out or if stuff goes south when you have power outages. Or your neighbor, family, relatives you can let borrow, friends. We do have grills, outdoor grilling. They do have home electronics over here for like kitchens and stuff, kitchenware. Well, as you can see here, it's got a 8-quart multi-cooker for $119. Or you got a 6-quart for $149. I don't know why that one is more than this one, and it holds more quarts, 2 quarts more. Don't understand why, but got a crock pot for $24.88. Got a rice cooker. I mean, tell me where you're gonna buy a rice cooker for $32.88, and it holds 10 cups. It's not the best looking thing, but hey, as long as it does its job. So air fryers over here, $89.88 for an air fryer. Come on, people. Man, these deals are amazing. Brandsmart is where it's at. It's the big riddle. Look at this, air fryers. Women, right here for your hair products, for your beauty products. Man, they even have sewing, organizing kits with the yarn in it already. I guess that's how you say it. I apologize with the thread. $26.88. They have body massages as well. Sewing machines. Digital air fryer, $79.88. Ironing board, $16.88. That one costs $39.88. Where are you gonna buy an iron for $16.80? Hell, even $8.88. Something to get you by quick. How about a steamer for $26? Look at this, traveling steamers for $16.88. This is Brandsmart, people. Hell, how about clippers for your dogs? They have your vacuums over here as well. It's a filtration system for $39.88. It's a water flosser. They also do offer 0% financing available here. So all your fridges, and then all your washers and dryers down there, freezers for fridge. And your AC units for your windows. They even have exercising equipment here too. I mean, they got it pretty much covered up here. If you want it, you come here and get it, you name it. Well, there you go, family. That is the conclusion of the Brandsmart video. I do appreciate you staying tuned. And remember, those who are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. It would help the channel grow. Those who are subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell. I do appreciate you, family. Y'all be easy and be safe.